Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing my hair for you guys because I don't know, I did a really cute hairstyle in my last video, and I just want to show you how to do it because I loved it. Like, it's so cute. Like, I loved it. So I'm about to get right into it, I guess. So basically I just started with putting something in my hair. I don't know, I just found this under the sink. Honestly, it's curl lotion, and it's Be Natural. So I'm just about to use this. I'm about to just what the fuck. Okay, that was weird. So basically just put this in my hair. And before someone like comments and asks me like, what do you mix with? I'm not mixed with anything. I have like 1/8 of Native American, but that's it. Like, other than that, I'm fully black. Both my parents are black. My grandma, my grandmothers, all of them are black. Like, I'm black. That's it. Okay, so yeah, so after I do that, I just like to, you see how it has like a little bit of a shine to it now? So now I'm just gonna comb it out real quick. And in the shower, I just got out of the shower, and I didn't really wash it or anything because I don't wash my hair every single day. I just do it every other day. And not even, I'm not even gonna lie, I only do it like once a week. I am tender-headed. Super tender-headed, so I literally hate combing out my hair, like, so much. Like, it's so annoying, and it's like painful. So like, if I comb out my own hair, it's fine, but if someone else does it, I'm like crying. Not crying, but it hurts really bad, especially getting my hair braided. Okay, we're good. Now I'm just doing extra stuff. So after I do that, I say we're good, and then I keep brushing my hair. Okay, so after I do that, I literally get... Sorry guys, there was a spider over here like on my jacket, and I'm like sitting in the same spot where like there was hella spiders, so now I'm like on edge. I'm drinking pineapple juice and apple cider vinegar to get a fast one. Once you like drain out the apple cider vinegar with the pineapple juice, it's not that bad. I couldn't find the full one. There's 2 of them in there. I couldn't find the full one. I just got some regular old gel you probably get at the dollar store. And then a brush. And then I'm just gonna dip the brush into the gel. And I already have a part right there, but you need to make a part if you don't already have one. You kind of just brush it back. I'm gonna brush it back into a very slicked down ponytail. I'm gonna do it with the other side. just trying to get everything done. Okay, so everything's not going down as smoothly as I want it to do. So I'm just gonna make that real quick. Okay, now you need a ponytail to put your hair in a ponytail. Just want to make sure everything's done. I have a headband, don't judge me. You gotta do what you gotta do. I'm just like hold on, we're gonna do that over. Oh shit, oh shit. I'll just pull that some hair. Okay, now we have a slicked down hair or whatever. Get a scarf. I'm gonna undo this because it was from me wrapping the hair the other day. Just gonna put it into like its triangle form. Whoa, that's not a triangle at all. I literally just connect the two triangles and then get the triangles, and I'm gonna put it on her head. Like this. Like this. I'm gonna leave it here for like 30 minutes. However long it takes your hair to like normally dry, I'm gonna leave it under there for that long. Sorry, it's people outside. But yeah, we're gonna leave it under there for that long, and I will be back in like 30 minutes. Hi guys, it's a little bit darker because it's like really cloudy today outside. And I did my makeup because this video will be coming out the next Thursday, after I post this. So my makeup video, I'm just gonna do another get ready with me, but just I think my hair is pretty dry now. I think it's ready. I had a before it gets like too dark, or before like anyone gets home, I wanted to real quick do like finish my hair. So basically take it out of the ponytail and then kind of just separate it a little bit. It's still a little bit wet, but it'll do. It'll do, bruh. So basically just take it out. What I did, kind of just brought this up a little bit, bring this up a little bit, and then because this is actually what's going to be going in the half bun, so yeah, so then we're just gonna make sure that everything looks okay. Kind of just gonna make sure that the hair, like not all of my hair is sticking to my head because that would look weird. And then here, gonna get the ponytail, and we are now going to put it in the zip ponytail. I'm gonna try to make it so that the hair doesn't start to stick up, because I mean, honestly, whenever I do it, like, it's not gonna be perfect. I don't think I'm going you know, for that perfect hairstyle today. I think I'm just trying to get it up. But it does look a little weird whenever those hairs be sticking out. So yeah. Forget it. Ugh, this is not the look I was going for. Just gonna try to get it as poofy as possible because it's not poofy enough because it's too wet. This is basically the look. As it dries, it will look better. It'll look poofier, you know, all that jazz and all that jazz. But yeah, it'll eventually look better once it dries. You guys should make sure that you let it dry all the way, else it's not gonna look as good. Let me go ahead and put on some hoops. Let's see if I can find some. These will do. I usually do the bigger hoops, which you would see on my Snapchat if you follow me. But today's kind of a weird day. It's really dark and gloomy. It's pretty scary. Oh my gosh, that hurt really bad. Today's because last night I had a dream. Why do these hurt so bad? Last night I had a dream that the government sent out clones. I mean, the dream didn't 100% make sense, but the government sent out clones, and the clones kind of changed everyone into like, I don't know what was going on, but it was a weird dream. And now like today, like, did you guys, I don't know if you guys heard that, but there was like a bunch of ambulance. My boyfriend's not really answering the phone anymore. I don't know what's going on. My sister should be home in like 15 minutes, like soon, so I hope that my dream is not coming to, like, this is how my mind works. Like, I know, like, it's weird, but this is going to be the look. I liked it better when I did it last time. Hopefully, you know what, I think we're gonna do a different look. So I changed my mind. We're not gonna do the look that I did in the video. I guess we're just gonna do a get ready with me. I mean, how I do my, I don't even know what's on this video. I hope everyone's okay. I honestly, because I was just thinking about the ambulance, I hope nothing happened to whoever it was on its way to. Everything's all good. I want my boyfriend to text me back so I know that he's all good. Here comes my little sister. She's coming in right now. That's it, because I kind of wanted to finish this video. Here she comes. This happens every time. Messing me up. I did not tell you what I did there. We're to pull this up. I don't know. This video has kind of been, you know, everywhere. I guess this is the hairstyle that I'm teaching you guys. The beginning starts the same, everything, but just not gonna put it up in a ponytail because that was a hot mess. So I will see you guys next Thursday with this makeup look. Deuces.
Nigga sick, B. And you know, I'm with my niggas. We enjoying life. We getting high. Thinking about all the times that we got by, you know. We blessed. We some real blessed individuals, and all we can be a blessing to us, because I'm so high. I'm so bad.